name is Megan.
Hi, my name is Lucas.
Hi, my name is Rebecca and we are from Unity Charter School.
This is Silver McQueen, our solar vehicle. If you look at the back of the car, you will see the gears. The gear ratio is 10 to 50.
This gear ratio gives us force for our solar vehicle. The solar panel is located on top of the vehicle. The solar energy generated from the sun powers the motor and moves the car.
Solar energy is just as powerful, if not more powerful, than battery power we use in testing. In testing, we noticed that the gears are rubbing against each other and not moving the vehicle.
As we realized this event, we problem solved and moved the gears to a more efficient area of the car.
Solar energy is the energy that is emitted from the sun. This energy can be stored and used with tools like solar panels, which convert that energy into electricity.